Hi audience, welcome to the next episode of CEO TV. So this episode, we actually don't have a special guest in the studio, but we are going to talk to a special guest. His name is Rahul Agarwal. He's the founder and director of Ideal Insurance. The interesting part is Ideal Insurance provides insurance for startups. So Rahul is here and we're going to ask him some questions about what exactly he does. Hi Rahul. So Rahul, what exactly is insurance audit for startups?
Insurance Startup Advisory is basically a service where we provide risk management to the startups. What we do is we try to understand the entire business, what are the risks involved in their business, how we can better manage the risk. We go through all their existing policy copies, we analyze whether they are adequate or not, we fill in the gaps. So it's basically a complete insurance management for startups. Now all these startups, they are into very disruptive kind of business, so the risk is also proportionate. So it's very important for them to understand their risk and whether this risk can be transferred to the insurance companies or not.
Great Rahul. So how did you come up with this idea of providing insurance to startups?
Basically what happened, how we came up with this idea was a lot of startups used to approach us, for different kind of insurance. Since the nature of business is very varied, most of the startups didn't even used to get a proper cover from the insurance companies because such products are not available. Right? So we had to actually create products. I'll give you an example. When Zoom Car, which was the first self-car rental company in India, they launched in India, no company was willing to give them a cover for their vehicles because self-car rental was a new model in India. So we actually had to struggle to convince the insurance company to design a insurance cover for their motor vehicles. Right, and now everyone is using that product. So this is how we got into this insurance advisory for startups.
And Rahul, I think this product can be used by VCs. What do you think?
In fact, a lot of VCs are also concerned because when they are investing money, they need to be secured. Whether their money is properly secured or not. For example, if something happens to the promoter, the money will go down the drain because all the startups are promoter driven. So a small policy for a keyman policy can actually protect the investment of a venture capitalist. So there's a huge demand from the VC and the startup, both the sides. And since I'm being a part of the ecosystem, I'm an angel investor myself. Right? A lot of people approach me regularly with this. So we have been approaching a lot of VCs and startups on a continuous basis. We are attending conferences. We are getting tremendous response about this service of ours.
And what are the main challenges, Rahul, that you faced when you launched this idea?
So I don't think there's any challenge in this, just that it's a lack of awareness. It has just started. So it's a matter of time before it really takes off. In fact, I strongly believe the service can actually protect a lot of startups from shutdown because a small mishap, a small miscalculation can, make their business go haywire. For example, again, cyber security insurance. Most of the startups are very tech oriented. Their data, their IT system are their backbone. If anything goes wrong or if there's any kind of data theft, again, they might go out of business. So, the insurance startup advisory can actually be a strong partner for startups in their success.
Great. Thank you so much, Rahul. That was really insightful. Audience, I hope you like this episode of me interacting with Rahul. If you have any questions for Rahul, you can shoot a mail to hello@indianceo and we will pass it on to Rahul. Thank you so much for listening to this episode. Have a great day. See you in the next episode.